Very good morning, students. Today we have to study our new topic, that is the electrolysis of NaCl, aqueous NaCl. In the previous lecture we study about the electrolysis of fused NaCl. Means when we melt the NaCl and take in a beaker and carry out its electrolysis, means insert two rod and pass an external electric current into this solution, what final result we get here? A sodium metal is deposited on the surface of cathode, means negatively charged electrode, and reduction takes place over there, and then chlorine gas is evolved on the surface of anode, and that is on the anode, means chlorine gas evaluation takes place on the surface of anode. So this much reaction takes place on the surface of cathode and anode, and in the today's lecture we have to study the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. In the previous lecture we see electrolysis of fused NaCl, and in this lecture we have to study the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. So see here, in the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl, so this part we have to cover today, electrolysis of aqueous NaCl. Electrolysis of aqueous NaCl can be carried out in the cell used for the electrolysis of molten NaCl using inert electrode shown in the figure, and the fused NaCl is replaced by moderately concentrated aqueous solutions of NaCl, and the water evolved in the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl leads to the electrode reactions that differs from electrolysis of the molten NaCl. So for the electrolysis of aqueous NaCl, we need some important construction over here. First, we have to consider one beaker. In that beaker, in the previous part, we take fused NaCl. In today, we have to take here the aqueous NaCl. Aqueous means what? We can dissolve this NaCl in the water, so that during electrolysis, what happen? Following ions is formed in the beaker: Na positive ions, Cl negative ions. Along with this, as water molecules is also present over there, H positive ions and OH negative ions also present in the beaker. Means in aqueous NaCl, this much ions are present in this beaker. Okay, then we have to insert two graphite electrode in this beaker. ओके इसके बाद में आपको क्या करना है, दो ग्रेफाइट के इलेक्ट्रोड यहाँ पर डीप करना है, और दोनों भी इलेक्ट्रोड को आपको कनेक्ट करना है बैटरी को. दिस इज व्हाट, अ बैटरी. बैटरी के एक रहता है बैटरी को पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल, एक रहता है निगेटिव टर्मिनल. तो एक इलेक्ट्रोड को पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल को आप अटैच करेंगे, जिसको आप कहोगे एनोड. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल को जो इलेक्ट्रोड आप कनेक्ट करते हो उसको आप एनोड कहोगे, और दूसरा जो इलेक्ट्रोड है उसको आप बैटरी के नेगेटिव टर्मिनल को अटैच करोगे, जिसको कहा जाएगा कैथोड. जिसको कहा जाएगा कैथोड. जैसे कि आपको पता है